Hello my friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pap. Some people call it Nsima. Now what you will need for this cooking is a pot, a wooden spoon, meal, and water.
You'll also need some cold water and some hot water.
Cold water, as you can see in the flask there. Now I'm going to take 3/4 cup.
Whoopsie.
3/4 cup of meal, put it in a pot, and a bit of cold water. Going to stir to avoid balls. I must crack all those balls. Then we will need hot water, which is already boiled.
Fill it all the way?
For convenience.
Almost all the way.
There we go. Now we are going to make porridge first. You have to stir. I am now stirring the porridge until the required strength, and then I'm going to leave it to boil for at least 15 minutes. Now we are leaving the porridge to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So don't go too far. You can just grab the cup of tea and drink, and then I will come again. Make sure that you leave a bit of space for air condensation so that your porridge should not overflow. Okay, so now our porridge is ready. Now the other way of noticing or realizing that our porridge is now done completely is to notice the film on the side of the pot. Then you know that the porridge is cooked. Now this is the secret of making proper pap. The porridge must be done properly, otherwise your pap is going to be raw. Now it is time to start cooking. This is cooking for beginners, when you want to teach your teenagers how to cook, or someone who just wants to learn how to cook pap for the first time. I'm going to show you a very exciting way of cooking this pap.
Go.
I now put meal inside the pot. Make sure that you put it very slowly. You mustn't put like 1 or 2 cups at once because it's going to be very hard. You don't want to make rocks here. You're cooking nice and creamy pap. Okay, you can feel in your hand as you cook the texture of the pap that you want to cook.
Consistency.
Now, the consistency of this pap is like this. Now let's go to the beautiful part. Now you go 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. It's like a song, it's like a dance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. By so doing, making it easy for the learner to cook and turn pap around as you cook. So your teenager or your first time cook should take this step. It is very, very exciting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is good for all people of all races. White people, Chinese. It's not only for black people or for black teenagers. So now, can you see? The consistency is changing. Look how beautiful and creamy is getting. 1, 2, 3, middle. 1, 2, 3, middle. 1, 2, 3, middle. 1, 2, 3. You know, so easy. Make it so easy.
Oh.
So look at how creamy it is. Okay, let's make it a bit thicker. Yeah, let's start again our dance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's smelling so good already. Look how beautiful this puff is. Yes. Okay. Can you see? It is soft, it is creamy. Now we're going to cover our pot, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And we come again.
The sound.
Must reduce the flame to 3 when you are keeping it there for 5 minutes.
2 settings lower. The extra mini meal you can just put it back inside your container. This is a molded spoon that we get in African countries. You might get it in Europe or Asia and America as well. It's called a chipandi, and it's for taking out your pap, taking the pap out of the pot when you're serving. This is the wooden one. It's a little bit smaller, but it does the same job as the chipandi, the plastic chipandi. And you can probably get it if you come to Africa on holiday. But if you can't find it, you can use simply use a big spoon that you have. Big spoon like this will also do the job. Or you can coat it with oil and put it in water before you serve the pap.
Friends, I'm back. How steamy our pot is. Now our pap is ready. And my daughter is ready. She is so hungry, she cannot wait. Now, I am having my oil-coated serving spoon that I'm going to use now. Remember that when you are making pap, you must make it on high heat. And when you cover it for 5 minutes, you must reduce your heat. Okay. Look now how beautiful this is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Inside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's do this. Right. Okay, let's take our beautiful first lump. Wow, look how beautiful and fluffy it is. Second lump. Lovely. Third lump. Wow, isn't this wonderful? Let's go for the fourth lump.
You can gather all the pap together just to bring it together for the fourth lump.
There we go. Fourth lump. The last but not least. This is the most beautiful lump. Wow. Your children and your family will enjoy this pap. Look how nice and creamy and beautiful pap. There we go, my friends. Our pap is done.
Yum!
Now, my friends, pap is ready. It is served with greens. Don't forget your greens. And next to my greens and pap, there is a bowl of meat. Bon appetit. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Next time, I'm coming again with a very nice hearty meal that is going to remind you of Africa. Enjoy!